Hello everyone. Today I'm here. I will I will show you how to make a image speaker from gallery with the Jetpack Compose. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, I add the dependency of the coil compose in here, provided in my description below. Okay, and we move to the main activity in here. I will to make new function, the compose function. Okay, I will give the name is function single photo picker. Okay, like this. In here, I will using Yuri for the pick image. Yuri is by remember. Okay, I will give the mutable state off. In here, I will use Yuri label. The default value is null. Okay, this is error. I will keep the question mark in here, and then I'll give one variable again, variable single photo picker equal remember launcher for activity result. Okay, I will enter it first. I'm sorry. In the contract, I will use activity contract dot big visual media, and in the result I will use a curly bracket in here, and I will Yuri equal it like this. Okay, just a simple function, and then I will give the layout. I will use a calm layout. Place the component in my UI. Okay, in here I will give a modifier. Modifier. I will use film access, maybe film access. It will, if in XML it's mean like match parent, and match parent, the height and width is match parent. And then I will give the vertical arrangement for the centralize the component in the center of the screen in vertical orientation. Okay, arrangement, I will use the center, and I want to horizontal alignment too. Alignment is center horizontally. Okay, it means will the image and button will the place in the center of screen. Okay, and next in here I will add the button. I'm sorry, button. Okay, inside the button I will give text, and then in here I will give the value maybe open gallery. Okay, in the button click in here I will give single picker launcher, and this in here I will call the big visual media request, and in here I will add the activity result and big media and image only. Okay, we'll enter. Okay, like this, and next I will call the library coil compose to load the image from gallery. Okay, I will use a scenes image, and model I will use Yuri, and content description I will make null. Okay, like this. And I will call single photo picker function in here. Okay, and I will try it. Okay, as you can see, the app has been launched, and I will try to open my gallery, and I will pick in this image. Okay, you can see I will make this image. I'm sorry, I will give the size modifier size modifier dot size. I will use 2050, maybe dp. Okay, and I will try again. Okay, I will try again, and you can see the image is loaded successful. And I'm trying to in here I will make one function again, which is I will pick more photos, multiple photos maybe. Okay, let's start it. I will give new function again, composable function. I will give some multiple. Okay, the photo picker in here. This I'll make variable image URI. Apa I remember. Okay, and here I will use mutable state of again. The value is list. List. And inside list I will use URI label. Okay, will use default value is empty list. Okay, like this. I'm sorry, add this parenthesis in here and delete it. Okay, we'll make variable again, multiple photo is remember the result from the previous tutorial, the contract is activity contract, and I will use pick multiple visual media. Okay, like this. And the result I will use here, maybe erase. Okay, image erase is equal erase. I need for change is too far. Okay, the error is gone, and then in here I will use lazy column for the residual view. Lazy column, delete it. We'll use vertical arrangement center, and then horizontal alignment, and then I will use modifier dot size fill max size. Okay, and here I will call the item, format the item for in one row. I will use in here button. Inside the button I will use text. Text is open gallery too. Okay, like this. And the on click function here I will fill with multiple variable. What the variable? Empty board. Yes, like this, and I will call in here the picker. Okay, launch. Like previous, I will pick visual request and activities, list contract, and big media and use image only. Okay, and I will call the coil compose library instead of item like this, image URI, I'll curly bracket will URI like this, and I am to call as in image model is URI. The content is I will use null, and then the last is modifier size is 250.dp. Okay, this is maybe enough. I will comment the single photo picker and instead to call multiplier image picker. Okay, let's see. I will run this app, open it, and you can to pick the multiple image in here. You can to add the image is loaded in here. Okay, that is a simple tutorial about image picker in Jetpack Compose. I hope this is very helpful for you and you can implement in your own project. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.